everybody, welcome to Wilson Brothers Ranch. I'm Chase, and today we're down in our chicken coop. And well, I say a chicken coop, but we have these fence and we just kind of rotate them so on through the pasture, and this is about as open range as it gets. So being open range, we're constantly moving all of our water supply, and as y'all know, water is heavy. So we have we actually have 3 5-gallon and 1 7-gallon water feeder for the chickens. So down here we have I want to say about 3.5 inches of composite material. It's a 3 by 3 foot slab, and then we have plywood on the bottom, and now we're doing a plywood 3 by 3 sheet up on top. So hopefully this thing is going to be nice and beefy and survive through the elements. So let's see what happens. All right, so here we have a just regular bolt, not grade 8. I don't think we have any issue with this snapping on us. We're just gonna go ahead and use some washers, a lock washer. And we have this 11/16, just a little bit larger than this bolt here. And I'm gonna make 4 holes, and I figured that'd be just enough to keep this thing together. So let's get this knocked out. Moving this from paddock to paddock every 2 weeks, it gets pretty heavy. And we figured these little ropes and some U-nails ought to get the job done. So, doesn't get that much simpler. So we got our handles on, and that's just about it. So this is our biggest water jug, and it just kind of does a gravity drain, and it just uses a siphon all the way out. This has to be level, so we have to move this quite a bit. And this whole platform has to be level, otherwise all the water will just drain out, and there goes all our water supply for the chickens. So this is very important to us, and yeah, let's go put it up. As you can see, these get filled up with dirt, mud, and algae. So we have to clean these out quite a bit. Steven is going to run around and go ahead and start our water source so we can start our cleaning and our resupply. And this here, we have our little feed, and in here we have, this is actually crushed granite. And this helps the chickens' gullets digest a little bit better, and they actually like to eat it. And that's for the blooper reel. on top. All right, so we got our water supply all refilled. We got the water tank all closed up, and we're just gonna take a look around for some eggs and check on our stock. Come with us.